Hey, what's up everybody? Today we have another phone to unbox. It's a budget that actually trying to be a good mid-ranger, and it's very has very competitive pricing. It's the Alcatel 3X. This is the blue version with the weird texture over here. If you check out my Instagram, you can see me playing with this texture. It gives you weird noise, just like a DJ using this type of thing. This is the new logo that Alcatel is rocking with. It looks nice and beautiful. It's like an A with a different design. So let's take a quick look at the box. We have a 5.7 Full HD Plus HD Plus screen. We have 18 by 9 ratio screen. We have dual cameras on the back, 16 megabyte and 8 megabytes, and we have 120 degree angle. So we have one camera, normal camera, and other camera will be a wide angle camera, which is really competitive at this price point to give this feature, the wide angle. We have 32 gigabyte of ROM, so storage, and 3 gigabyte of RAM. We have this, so this is really good feature. Also, we have a face unlock feature in this phone. What else we have in the box? So let's take a look at this information here. So we all went through it. It has 4G LTE. It's a quad core. It's a MediaTek processor. We're gonna check later on what type of processor it is. And we have two dual tone LD flash. We had 8 megabyte front camera with an LD flash. We have also, we mentioned that battery is 3000 mAh battery. The OS is 7 Nougat. So Android 7. I don't know if they have updated anything Alcatel, but we're gonna see. It comes with the accessories, T-shell and glass protective film. So this is good from Alcatel. As you can say, details over here. And one thing I actually was interesting thing about here. So you can read here. Alcatel is a trademark of Nokia, used under license of TCL. So Nokia is involved in an Alcatel. I don't think if they bought Alcatel or they are just a sister company. I'm not sure about that. But let's take a look at the unboxing and see what the phone we have here. Very nice small box. Let's take out the phone here. So here, as you can see, we have the phone. Looks nice, sleek, very light as well. It's very light. I like that. It's too light to be phone. It's very light. I like it. Here's the sound. I'm trying to get the sound. Oh, doesn't. There you go. Crazy. So let's start. Take out the stick. What do you call it? The paper, whatever they call it, man. Whew. Looks beautiful. The screen, very nice. This is a very big earpiece. If they manage to make this a second speaker, I'll be like, wow. So before we start the phone, let's take a quick look at the IOs and what we have here. So on the right side, we have volume up and down. We have a power button with the texture over here. On the back, we have a speaker and a micro USB. I think another one is just for design or microphone. So on the left side, we have only the SIM card, which is also have the SD card for 128 gigabytes. On the top, we have a microphone and headphone jack. And that's it, guys. That's about it. We have a fingerprint over here. These are Bluetooth camera. We have a front camera over here, and we have a flashlight. And maybe not. We have an LED light over here. We're gonna check out later when we see the phone in full time test. Let's put the phone over here and see what we have in the box. Paperwork. There you go. Papers here. What else we have? Oh, we have a screen protector, guys. This is a high quality screen protector. This is the film. See, this is the where you buy the expensive stuff. So good job. Thank you, Alcatel, for providing such important accessory inside the box for such a very, very cheap price. If you compare it with an Indian rupees, it's around 7,500 Indian rupees. It's around 400 riyals here in Saudi Arabia, around $100, 100 US dollar. So it's very, very cheap. Nice. Oh, what we have here? We have a nice case. So you get a nice case over here. Very nice, very beautiful. And they have this, the corners to protect the phone. So actually, when your phone falls, usually falls on the corners, and this is a good way to protect the phone over here. So that's a really good stuff from Alcatel. A lot of goodies in the box. We have a charger, and let's see if it's a fast charge. Oh, where's information? What? There's no information. Oh, there you go. All right, so we have 5-volt 1 amp. No, not a fast charger, guys. Just a travel charger, as he mentioned here. So just a normal charger. What else we have here? Is this one piece? No, this is 2 piece. So I'm assuming this is a cable for the use. Yeah, this is the charging cable, guys. I don't want to open it right now. And we have a headphone. We have earpiece. So this is really good. It's kind of budget thing, that comes with the phone. Nothing much. We have a microphone over here. You can use it for calls. Alcatel logo. So yeah, not that much. Very small. It's not gonna survive that long, guys. So yeah, this is for you to use it for temporarily, emergency, but it's gonna last with you for long. Nevertheless, the sound. So don't count on this guy over here. Everything else. Wait a minute. Where is? There you go. That guy over here is hidden. Put the last piece over here. Anyways, guys, that's it about the unboxing of the Alcatel 3X. I'm going to go through this phone in many ways: speakers, testing software, hardware, camera, everything. I'm gonna put it against the Nokia 5.1 Plus, because both phones have 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage. Different processor though. However, I'm gonna test this and see how it's capable. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, and see you guys later.